So today I have a short video for you, just kind of showing you a new game that I'm working on. I am learning a little bit of the ropes still and stuff like that, so I figured now that I kind of have an idea where it would work best for like a top-down kind of simulator, I wanted to kind of go into actually something more similar to City Skylines, but with a top-down kind of feel and, well, obviously pixel art and stuff like that. So I have a few different things already made. We have a title screen. I'm not sure about this image right here. It's from Unsplashed. It's open Creative Commons license, so I was able to use it. Probably create something before launch and stuff like that, but right now it's just kind of giving me an idea what it will look like for the actual background with a image behind it. So I have kind of like a vintage kind of style going on for the effect and stuff, so I really like that kind of design. It's based off of Medieval Dynasty and a few of the Dynasty games, so I wanted to kind of get something very similar based on that. We have settings. There's a few different game settings here. This might be moved over to its own generation settings and stuff in the future. Video, right now I just have a couple things, VSync and a few other things like that, but it's a good start. We also have audio, but there's nothing here because the game doesn't have any audio sounds or anything like that yet. I will be adding controls for that in the future, and mappings for keys will be under this one, but currently those keys don't actually do anything at the moment. We got new game, which brings us into the actual game. This is just a test scene that I'm working on for some of the features and stuff. Right now I have a zooming mechanics set up so we can actually zoom in pretty far and zoom out, zoom in, and it's basically wherever we're going to be zooming out to is where we're zooming in, or zooming out is where our mouse is located. So we can kind of zoom in and out based on that. Change the road tools, and there's also zone tools, but I haven't gotten to the zone tools just yet. Still working on all this. Taken me a long time just to get the road mechanics set up. But if we go to the build tool, we can click on the build tool here, and then we can kind of drag and build our roads like we would normally do with like city builders and stuff like that. Usually it would be like a 2-point thing, but I kind of like the dragging mechanics. You can also erase using the eraser as well, so you can do that. And I started working on some designs for houses as well, so I'm not even close to getting all that part done, but I do want to get kind of like rotations for the houses, and this is just a simple 1x1 lot, but it's kind of like an experiment for seeing how I can get a top-down kind of style going on in this kind of world. So, and I have a lot more planned, so there's tons more stuff going to be added. We're going to have more tools and more different types of roads and zones and all the fun stuff that you would normally expect from City Builder. Of course, the menus and stuff like that are still work in progress. This is nothing perfectly set in stone or anything like that, so it's just a matter of time to kind of work on the different features and stuff like that. But for a couple weeks, this is not too bad for the thing. And we also got a pause menu, so we can actually go to the main menu if we wanted to, and if we wanted to go and quit, we can quit. So yeah, it's a pretty efficient little app that I have going on right now, and I'm pretty happy with it. And the grass textures and stuff, I'm contemplating on changing. I'd probably go with something a little bit more that fits the style and stuff, but I just needed something to kind of visualize what's going on. And that's all for me. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.